Okay, here we have a piece of interesting gear. This is the final amplifier for an r1051 series radio system. This one is pretty haggard. It came to me as junk surplus. It's really water damaged, but I think I might just kind of clean it up and use it for a display. It's a r1053 final amplifier for the transmitter. The AM 6909 URT, FC14 URT23. These were the final amplifier for the transmitter portion of an r1051 series receiver system. This receiver system replaced the r390, and it was in service probably in the 80s and 90s on board Navy ship. Now, that thing there is the power supply for it. Very, very, very heavy. Weighs like as much as 3 of these put together. But rather interesting. I'm going to assume there's final tubes behind there. There's a couple of circuit cards that come out. Driver bias. A nice military connector. Here's a big connector. It must be the high voltage supply. Now, I would assume that that's a motor-driven tuning mechanism. For those of you that don't know, the r1051 series receiver system utilized a channelized front panel. There were about 8 knobs like this, 6 or 7 or 8 or something, knobs that went across the front of the radio. And you would, 7.07250, you would change the channel each number at a time. But the front portion of it was motor driven. So every time you'd change band from like 7 megahertz to 10 megahertz to whatever, it was motor driven inside the radio, and the tuning capacitors you'd hear them move, and there was a chain drive inside the radio that would